Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only, and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, after a two-day rally, the Australian dollar sharply reverses and falls back into a bearish pattern as it slips back beneath 69 cents and now potentially could see a further slide towards the lows of 68 and still holding my forecast around 66.5 to 67 cents. Technicals have buckled, so the bearishness may actually continue. Looking ahead, we've got the non-farm payrolls with an expected 65,000 jobs added after the previous one was negative 92. Any upside attempts likely to be capped around the 69-cent handle. The euro also turning rather sharply after a two-day rally and now looking back to the bottom side of its range. And I'd still like to mention that the key area is still anywhere from 114.5 to around 113.5. A break there would give some concern and it may actually see a drop to around 111. But let's see if we can get that break of 113.5. Otherwise, a recovery could be on its way from that region. The dollar yen, well, the market is back looking for a rally. That's likely to be very cautious if it gets towards the area of 160 after recently reaching that point and dropping rather sharply. I feel the market may actually do that again and a bull trap could be triggered again and see stop losses triggered. Sterling also taking a sharp turn after a two-day rally and now looking back towards the bottom side anywhere from 131.60 to around 131.10.15. A 100-point drop when it comes to gold from 4,800 and now trading around 4,580 area. So probably actually about a 120-point drop. Given the fact the market has buckled again, I'm still keeping to a neutral bias. I'm a little bit cautious of any calls for this market just in case we see a further drop. Wrapping up with oil, the market is also rallied back to $100 a barrel and I'm still keeping out of that as well due to the fact is it's too whipsawed, too uncertain and very unstable and there's no trend at the moment. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me and as always look out for the intraday report and I hope you enjoy the great start to the weekend and happy Easter.